What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm your girl Lorna, and today for you, this is an exciting video for me because this means we're going on vacation. So I'm packing all of my kids' stuff into one suitcase. That's 4 kids for 7 days, all in one suitcase. And if that's not a hack, I don't know what is, because come on now. That's a lot of stuff going into one bag. Now this coincides with another video I'm doing here on my channel, and it's gonna be all of my suitcase organization. In that video, I will go into detail about all the different categories and how I put different things into each bag for the whole family. So if you're into this sort of thing or you're getting ready to go on a trip, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that little bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Like I said, I'm doing a whole travel series here on my channel. I also do a lot of lifestyle, mommy organization videos here on my channel, and I would just love to have you, girl. I'm gonna list everything in the down bar, including my website that has all my favorites in one place. And if you feel like depositing some positive energies, give your girl a thumbs up. I'd so appreciate it. Now, question of the day is, how do you guys like to pack your kids' stuff for vacation? And let me know any other systems or containers that you guys are into in the down bar. I'd love to hear what you guys like to do. So if you guys want to see my travel hack on how I fit everything into this suitcase for 7 days for 4 kids, then just keep watching. Like a fever, is my suitcase so far. I just have it up here on the bed. I'm gonna just start showing you guys what I'm doing. I'll go through everything else later. But so I have like a file system of everything that we have here, and everything is unzipped except for this bag here and this bag here. These are all finished. These are their top drawer. This one is for the boys and this one is for the girls. So I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what's inside of this one. Okay, so what we have in here is, this is my daughter's sleep sack. She only needs one. This is basically like her blanket, okay, for my 1-year-old. Okay, so then we have, this is just all of their extra clothes, okay, extra outfits, their pajamas, their underwear, and socks, okay? So that all goes into their top drawer. So when they're done, they just pull this out and they put it straight into the top drawer of the hotel. This is the boys' top drawer. This has got their pajamas and their stuff in here. So now for this, what I do is I keep it unzipped. This is a packing cube, okay? Which I love having these packing cubes, but when the cube is completed, I will zip it up, okay? And then I'll put it in this way. So I know, okay, everything that I need is in this one. Okay, so for now, I have my son's diaper, I have my oldest son's shirt, and then I have my other son's outfit. So this one is complete. So now I can zip this guy up because he's using shorts from another day for this one. So this one is actually ready to go. Anyway, so now that's done, and I can put this in the very front, like so. Okay, so now that that's done, it's zipped up and I can see that it's done, okay? And I like doing this because as I'm doing it, I make piles of everything. So now I have a stack of diapers. I just go through and I stick a diaper in each one, okay? And it makes it so easy. So then I stick one, but I already did this one. Okay, so now let's see, like, is this one done? So I have my older son and my older son's stuff. And where's the diaper? There's the diaper. So now I can zip this one up and put it down this way, and now I know it's ready to go. Okay, so for the same thing for the girls, I have their whole outfit here, and then I have the baby's whole outfit here and her diaper, and then I put her hair accessory, and that completes one day. And I put them in the same one because I try to teach them to dress themselves and they help their partner get ready. When you have multiple children, it's the way to go, and you need to teach your children to be independent. So when I'm done, I zip it up and then I stick it in here so everything's slim like a file folder just with the girls. This is their top drawer, so they will be pulling this out and go straight to their top drawer. Now, on this side right here, this is where all of their shoes are gonna go. I'm gonna give you a final look at everything, but their shoes will all stack right here nice and neat so everything fits perfectly. Okay, so what I do is I line up all the diapers. I count out how many days we are and put one diaper for each one. That's how I started. Then I started adding diapers to each pile to make sure I had 4 for each kid. So we have 4 here for my son and 4 here for my daughter. There'll be plenty and maybe an extra for each day. You got to figure out how many diapers your baby uses. This is going to be perfectly fine for mine. My toddlers are a little bit older, so. Then I start sticking the diapers. I kind of like lay them out like this so they lay down as flat as possible. But I put 2 days in each one, and this is what it looks like after I zip it together. Okay, so I'm gonna put this other row on right on top of here. So I wanted to show you guys this. I know this seems a little overly detailed to show you, but I like putting the diapers in this way so it closes better, and then this bag actually smushes everything so that way it folds a little bit flatter. That's what I like, using bags like this, guys. So I have, each bag has 2 days, so 2, 4, 6, 8 days worth of diapers. And I like I told you, that makes them flatter to pack more compact inside of your suitcase. But also, instead of having to go load your diapers into everything, I can just say, hey, we're out of diapers in our pack. They just grab one whole pack and now we're set in our diaper bag, instead of having to keep reloading every single day. So this is going to be a good system. Hope you guys like it. All right, you guys, here is an overview of what the suitcase looks like. This is all the miscellaneous. Like I showed you, the other side has all their clothes and shoes. And we're gonna start over here. So this is all of their swimsuits. Everything is in this bag here. The girls each have 2 swimsuits, their swim dress, and then we have their hats. And the boys each have a pair of swim trunks. Now I like putting everything in its own category and say, hey, go grab the swim bag with all the swim suits in it. Then we have, I showed you these little pouches of diapers. These will come home flat because obviously they'll be using them, and we'll have more room in our suitcase. But I have 2 days in each one. So this is 4 days in that one, and that goes back on here. Then moving to the middle section here, we have, I like keeping these in here. Then I can say, hey, go grab all of your toothbrushes, and then we can just set them out on the counters and everybody's is good and ready to go. So another category altogether. Then I have, this is all of their hair stuff. So we have, I just bring extra hair accessories. I got these little toe shoe things. I have my son's little hair putty, a comb. There's a brush somewhere in here. We got a brush in here and just extra bows. I like to be prepared. And then I have hair ties in this thing here. It's on one of these little cord things, but I love having a bunch of extra hair ties in here. So that goes in there. Okay. Then I have one of these for my son. I have to add another one for my daughter, but it will totally fit. And then I have another pouch for the swim stuff. Okay, and then on this side, this is all of their jackets. All I need to do is say, hey, go grab your jackets, because on the beach, it's usually hot, but you keep this at the bottom of your stroller, so just in case it starts cooling off and the wind kicks in, every kid has their own jacket, and we're good to go. And then here is my daughter's little floaty thing. So, and I put it in one of these clear little zipper bags, but that's pretty much it. Here is what it looks like. I'm getting ready to close it, and don't forget to close this thing because I just opened it and it all spilled out. Okay, so the next thing to do is to weigh. I got this scale off of Amazon. You loop it through here, and then you take this and go like this, and you hit 0 out. Make sure it's on pounds. I like to unload onto the top. This is everybody's jacket, so we can grab them, and this is everybody's swim stuff. Then I keep all of our extra diapers here. I can just grab a pack and stick it into the diaper bag. Then on the boys' side, okay, so this is all of their extra clothes, pajamas, and socks and underwear. This is their top drawer stuff, extra underwear. Then in these ones, they just have all of their outfits. Every day they have a whole pack. It's got a diaper, underwear, whole outfit. Everything's ready to go. I just stick them into the drawers so they fit. All right, so here is their top drawer stuff. Same thing, socks, underwear, everything top drawer. Then the girls have all of their outfits separated and ready to go. I'm just sticking this one in here. The kids had it out this morning. And their next set, and at the very bottom I like to put all of their little shoes. This is just their little cube with shoes. All right, Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my travel hack video on how to squeeze 7 days and 4 kids worth of items into one suitcase. If you could use anything I showed you here today, give your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified, because I'm doing a whole travel series. Like I said, I'll list everything in the down bar for you. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Give me a suitcase emoji and let me know that you did. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna.
Held in the echoes, secrets that we know, doors that open for us in a moment. Keeping the light on, righting old wrongs, keeping our sights on everything we want.